Hi traders, in this video I am going to explain order blocks, one of the most powerful concept used by smart money and institutional traders. If you are struggling with fake breakouts or stop hunting, this strategy will change your game. So what is an order block? The last bullish or a bearish candle before a strong move in the opposite direction is called order block. Now here, this is a great example of a order block. This is the perfect and clear example of a order block. This is the order block zone. This area is a order block zone. Okay, got it? So how order block work? Order blocks work because they show institutional activity. Big banks and smart money cannot just press buy or sell like retail traders. They need to place large orders in a phases. That's why price often return to the order block zone, grabs liquidity and then continue in the main direction. If you notice here, market exactly came to the order block zone and give a impulsive move to the upside, because here market fill the pending orders of a smart money. You got my point? So how to use order block? First of all, you must identify the impulsive move to the upside. Now this is a impulsive move to the upside. This is the fair value gap and market give a impulsive move to the upside and break the previous higher high. It means breaks the previous structure. Now this is the last bearish candle and next is bullish engulfing candle. Now these two candles identify the order block because there is also a fair value gap. If you see here, this area, this one and this one, this is also a fair value gap. So it means this is a valid order block. Now the next condition is market also break the previous higher high. You wait for the price to return to that order block area zone, like wicks, rejection or engulfing candle. That's your potential entry. If you see, you will wait that market came to this order block area zone and here is your entry in this area. Okay, So this is a great example of a order block. This is the gold USD chart and market is bullish. Always find the trade according to the trend, because here market trend is a bullish. So you will find the bullish order block. If the market is bearish, then definitely you will find the bearish order block. So here my entry is in this zone, in this area, and my target is this higher high. So definitely I book my profits. So if you need like this strategy, get my full Forex trading course. Okay, the details are mentioned in the description below. Do the practice makes you perfect. Best of luck.